Hello guys, Raja flagship Armor 23 Ultra from the Ulefone brand has made its first sale kick-off on the AliExpress store. Starting from January 8th and running until January 12th, this first sale offers a remarkable price of just $359.99. After applying all exclusive discounts and coupons, users have the golden opportunity to secure the Power Armor 23 Ultra at the extraordinary price. This exclusive opportunity allows you to experience cutting-edge technology and to own this impressive satellite rugged phone. Armor 23 Ultra features two-way satellite messaging, ensuring communication in remote areas and challenging environments. Furthermore, we are getting a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a rapid 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth and vibrant visuals. You can experience lightning-fast charging with the 120-watt wireless and the 50-watt wireless charging capability as well. Harness the power of the MediaTek Dimensity 820 processor to elevate your multitasking capabilities with a whopping 12GB of RAM, complemented by additional 12GB of virtual memory, along with the spacious 530GB of internal memory UFS 3.1 for ample storage space. The upper-presented image system is made of up to 50MP flagship main camera, 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 64MP night vision camera, and the 8MP zooming telephoto lens. Now you have the golden opportunity to secure the Power Armor 23 Ultra as an extraordinary price. Ulefone's official sales links are below this video. Hurry up and secure your new Armor 23 Ultra today at this super affordable price. There is still a chance, a little time is left until January 12th, so do it as soon as possible. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.